Asmara Bella, from the Horn of Africa to Port Street, Manchester. Ethiopian food is one of Manchester's more prominent sub-Saharan cuisines, and Asmara Bella is quietly one of the most respected in town, and for good reason. Look at it, it is not a razzmatazz, let's go viral enterprise. It's not been watered down for Western taste. It's in the Northern Quarter next to Port Street Beer House, one of the better pubs in Manchester. If you're into your obscure ales and beers. It's not just Ethiopian, it's Eritrean as well. If you're not up on your late 20th century geopolitics, Ethiopia and Eritrea were essentially the same country until the 1990s. The dishes are similar, but there are subtle differences. It's a low-key Ethiopian restaurant that does what it does and does it well. Unassuming, no frills kind of place, more like a cafe than a street restaurant. There are 2 floors. Downstairs is a little bit more decked out. Upstairs is a bit more stark. There's a few pictures on the walls and what I assume Ethiopian objet d'art. I'm not going to get all Fraser Crane on this, but it's like going around your mate's house if your mate lived in Addis Ababa. It all feels like a nice, friendly, homespun atmosphere. It's not trying too hard. It doesn't feel like it's trying to be the next big chain, which is refreshing. Having said that, it has gone slightly viral recently by being one of the locations in a new Netflix show, Runaway, starring the comedian Amy Gledel. That is episode 3 at 33 minutes and 20 seconds for all you train spotters. There's a little glimpse. Can't show too much, don't want to risk the Netflix copyright takedown hammer ban. My lot choose the Mosob. It's named after the handmade basket that the food arrives in. It's under 40 quid for 2 people, which is pretty amazing in central Manchester in 2026. Unlike some places, there's a drinks license so you can swig an authentic Ethiopian beer while you eat. The beer is nice, a little bit sweeter than your normal beer, and better for it. The Mosob is designed for communal dining. It's a big round dish with a base layer of injera. It's basically a spongy sourdough flatbread, light in texture and flavour, and that's important. For me, the Mosob is all about these heavily flavoured dishes. The injera is there as a base to hold that, to present that with. These are the rules. Get some bread, rip some bread off, tuck in, dive in, scoop up some meat or some veg, and then eat it. No cutlery. It's relaxed, it's kind of merry, it's messy. It's a good way to start or end a night out. I like to eat messy, and this is perfect for me. I like this kind of food. The flavours are strong, but not overpowering. It's a meal that's more about texture and mouthfeel. There's real joy going from a bit of soft, tender beef to a mouthful of timtimo. I think if I'm pronouncing that right. It's basically lentils covered with spices and olive oil. The vegetables have a crunch when they should do, and the meat is soft but not too soft. It keeps its shape. If you get the all meat platter, it comes with a boiled egg right in the middle. It's a key part of the duro wok, of the chili heavy chicken stew. Soaks up oils and heat. Yeah, grab it, grab that, get in first, grab that. That's one of the nicest bits. I've tried injera at other places, other Ethiopian places in town, and was not impressed. It was tough, rubbery. It tasted like the inside of a couch cushion. The injera here isn't like that. It's nice. It's soft. It's springy. It holds the protein and sauces really well, but it melts in the mouth when it's supposed to. Like I said before, it's right next door to Port Street Beer House. So let me paint a picture. You're gonna get a graphic designer with a big beard enjoying an obscure ale, and he'll be nipping next door to spend his money on an affordable Ethiopian meal. If that image doesn't float your boat, then you're in the wrong district, in the wrong city, on the wrong timeline. This is Manchester.